Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on OPPO A80. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now go to Settings. Then click on Google Assistant, and now click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Then click here to enable Hey Google, and then click on More and I agree, More and I agree. And now you have to say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click Next. And now click on Back. And then go to Locked Screen. And make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.